Oh, it was tough. I think we worked extremely hard in the first half to put ourselves in a good position, and then full credit to the Waratahs. They came back in that second half and put us under the pressure. Thought we defended well there at the line in that last sort of 10 minutes, and then we went to Golden Point and we found a way to win. So, I just said to the boys, we find new ways to win games of rugby, but you only do it if you dig deep. Waratahs dug deep today and came back well in the second half, but we were good enough to step across the line at the end.
Would you be disappointed that we had a commanding lead that Waratahs didn't come back and re-level?
Yeah, it's disappointing when you look at the scoreboard, but full credit to the Waratahs. They came back, and I thought their bench was really good when they came on. I thought their bench carried hard and asked lots of questions of us, and we got ourselves in a bit of trouble. But look, it's just the game, and as I said, we let a few points in there, but when you needed to step up in that Golden Point time, and we were down in front of our line and we kept getting off the line and coming forward, that's now 90 minutes of football our boys are playing, So our men now know that they've got it in the tank and they're just going to go hard.
Yes. What was going through your mind when Matawala was sent off?
Look, I didn't know what happened. I couldn't understand what happened, but I've since been explained what happened. So, we just had to work hard there. It put our systems in a bit of pressure, and we sort of, Fiji style, found a way to do it. It wasn't as structured or as composed as we may do, but we got young men out on the field, and I thought they handled it really well. And it's a good learning curve for us, but I thought effort was there, and going down to 14 men was a challenge.
What would be the more points against the Force?
I think we got to regroup from tonight. The Western Force will do that homework and we'll work through that. And I think we'll wait till Monday to start looking at the Western Force. But one of the things we learnt from today was if we are going to play at home, we can play the 90 minutes, but we need to go hard right from the minute and keep going. So we'll just see how we pull up, get our Western Force stuff going, and we'll go from there.
Would you agree that the fans played a huge part today in
No,
supporting
the fans always play a huge part, and they're great. And what they've had to put up with this week, villages flooded, roads flooded, not being able to get home at time, all that they've had to put up with in the last fortnight, and for them all to come out today epitomises the spirit of rugby in Fiji, and epitomises the spirit of Fijians about their rugby. And we really appreciate the noise and the support we've had.
Coach, is there some significance to the Chicago Bulls happening?
Oh, I think, we may not have played like the Chicago Bulls, and we may not have won like the Chicago Bulls, but we won. And that's the most important thing.
Coach, kudos to Fiji Drua for the free pass for the first 500 kids today.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is Children's Sunday in Fiji.
Yeah.
So just a message to the kids.
I just love the spirit of the kids of Fiji, and just keep that spirit, keep enjoying your life, and keep yourself nice and strong. And a message to all the parents out there: keep encouraging your kids to dream and keep helping them strive for their dreams, because this country has a magnificent spirit, it has a magnificent future, and we have to keep our kids dreaming to be big. And the energy they have and the excitement they have is inspiring. And with this weekend, with the kids coming in today and tomorrow, just keep helping your kids achieve their dreams, because they will achieve the dreams if you help them.
Speaking of Children's Sunday tomorrow, I heard that Drua also sponsored a home, St. Tabitha's home, just close by Saweni,
in Lautoka. There were 4 children there with 3 carers. What are your thoughts on Drua doing more like that?
Well, I think we are the community. You know, we're not anything separate. We are the community. We are the people's team, and we'll continue to do as much as we can within our community. Our players are out there every week at schools, and we will continue to do that because we owe it to our people. You know, our people turn up here, they put their hands deep into their pockets to come and support us, and the Drua will continue to grow that over the years, and we will continue to be the people's team, and we will continue to support that in any way we can. It's an inspiring, and for me as a coach of this team, it's inspiring messages that we can continue to give our players. Naka.